In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Voiding a check is really useful when you've created a check by mistake, used the wrong amount, or need to correct your records without completely deleting the transaction. Voiding keeps a clear paper trail, which is important for accurate bookkeeping and for audit purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From there, look for the left-hand navigation menu. Find the section labeled Expenses and click it. When that expands, choose Expenses again. This takes you to a list of all your expense transactions, including bills, expenses, and checks. Now we want to narrow this list down so we can quickly find the check you need to void. At the top of the expense list, you'll see filter options. Look for the filter labeled Type. Open that menu and select Checks. Once you apply that filter, QuickBooks will only show transactions that are checks, which makes it much easier to spot the one you're looking for. Scroll through the list or use the search fields to locate the specific check you want to void. Before you move on, it's a good idea to double-check the details, like the payee, date, and amount, so you're absolutely sure you have the right one. Once you've found it, move over to the Action column on the right side of that checks row. You'll see a small drop-down menu there. Click the drop-down, and you'll see several options for managing this transaction. From that list, select Void. At this point, QuickBooks is preparing to void the check, but it wants to make sure this is really what you want to do. Voiding a check will change the amount to zero while still keeping the record in your books. This helps preserve an accurate history of what happened with that check. A confirmation message or window will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to review again that you have the correct check selected, because once it's voided, the original amount will no longer affect your balances. When you're ready, click Void again to confirm. After that, QuickBooks will update the transaction. The check will now show as voided, and your financial reports will reflect that change. That's all there is to it.